Hey, my friend, direct mail secrets. Let's get into how to actually succeed with direct mail marketing. Whether you're doing flyer marketing, postcard marketing, whether you're promoting a landscape business, a dental business, real estate, or maybe like me, you're promoting a work from home postcard or direct mail program. Okay, so these are some direct mail secrets, and I do teach more direct mail secrets in my team, so you can get access to my team at postcardlifestyle.com. However, let's get into some secrets real quick on how to make direct mail work. All right, and my name is Justin Temple. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications for future direct mail training videos. So, um, let's get into this. So, the first thing that is very important um, is that you price your product accordingly. Okay, so a lot of there's like some so like in my industry, there's some direct mail programs that are like $5, $20, $50, and things like that, right? So you don't want to promote something that's 5, 20, 50, 100. Okay, so and the reason that is because you're not leaving yourself enough room for margins to be profitable. Okay, because let's say you join a program that's a $5 program, and so because it's a $5 program, and let's say your postcards are 50, 60, 70 cents, well, you're only going to be able to send, let's say they're 50 cents each. Um, so you have two postcards for every dollar. That means you can only send 10 postcards before you're losing money on your sale, right? So that's not the way to do postcard marketing or direct mail marketing. What you want to do is be able to have a high priced product, okay? Now, maybe you have a free teeth cleaning, or maybe you have a low level entry product, but on the back end, you want to be able to have a high level, higher ticket product, okay? So, or just have a high ticket product up front, okay? So, you can have a value ladder that goes up, or you can just have a high ticket product. But to make direct mail work, and the biggest secret to direct mail is to have a high priced product or service eventually or upfront, so that you can actually make your money back on your advertising, because direct mail is not the cheapest way to advertise. Um, it is on more on the costly end if you compare it to Facebook ads. So it's it's just the way it is, and so you have to be able to make that money back. And the way you're able to make your money back is very easily phone sales. Okay, phone sales, a phone website or a phone funnel will allow you to connect with people better and build more trust. And because you're getting on the phone with people, and you're being authentic, right? You're able to make sales that are in the one to two, three, four, $5,000, even $10,000 to $20,000 range. Very, very. I don't want to say very easily, but like a lot easier with phone calls, or having someone call you, or setting an appointment, right? Having them set up an appointment on Calendly or something like that. So having your product priced properly to be able to make money from your advertising is very important, okay? So that is one of the secrets to direct mail marketing. The next secret is follow up, okay? So a lot of people, they do direct mail marketing, and they expect their direct mail, you know, this right here. Let's say, this is my Desert Schools piece of mail, so for my bank, but they expect this piece of mail to be the thing that makes the sale. Don't expect the mail to make the sale, okay? That's not how it works. What you want the mail to do is collect name and email, okay? and phone number typically. Okay, so you can call them back, right? Because you want to be able to follow up with them on phone and email. Okay, so collecting name, email, and phone number is very, very critical to direct mail, and that is probably the most important secret, okay, because it allows you to lower your cost on advertising. Okay, so let's say it cost you 60 cents to send a postcard, and if I go to your website and give you my name, email, and phone number, well, now you can follow up with me essentially for free, right? So you spent, 70 cents to acquire me as a lead, and you can follow up with me forever. So that is the next secret to direct mail. Okay, number one was pricing your product accordingly. And then now, once you have your mail out, you need to follow up with people properly and effectively. Okay, a lot of people are doing direct mail businesses, or home businesses opportunities, and they're using like their personal phone number, personal email to respond to everything, and they're having to manually do everything. Well, with direct mail, you want to combine it, not too much, but combine it slightly with internet marketing, okay? And if you set up a little bit of internet marketing with your direct mail, you're going to be able to follow up with people much more effectively, okay? So that is the next secret to direct mail, is to combine it a little bit with email marketing to lower your cost on advertising and to be able to follow up with people essentially for free. Okay, an autoresponder is like 20 bucks a month. So you can follow up with thousands of people for 20 bucks a month with just one email. Okay, and then there's also text services too. So that's some direct mail secrets. And the reason you need to price your product higher is because it does cost a little more for direct mail marketing. And so you will also want to have the tools in place to follow up with people, because it takes about 7 to 12 exposures to create a sale. Okay, so when Geico first came out, they had to you had to see their commercial, you know 7 to 12 times before you actually remembered it or remembered what they were. Okay, and so it's the same with your business. It's the same with every business. So um, follow up. Okay, that's the next secret to direct mail. All right, my friend, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications for future direct mail trainings. I appreciate you watching this video. And again, my name is Justin Temple. Click the link in the description below to visit postcardlifestyle.com, where you can get my training on how to do postcard marketing and my personal #1 recommended postcard marketing program. All right, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Click the link in the description below. It's 100% free to check out my website and to see exactly what I'm doing. And also, there's another link for a free postcard marketing guide. Okay, so you can help your postcard marketing. All right, so thank you so much. I appreciate you being here. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notifications for future videos, and I will see you in tomorrow's video, my friend. Thank you.